Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hello Word with Alex, where we dive into the wonderful world of English, one word at a time. Today, we're exploring the word addition. Addition is a noun and refers to something that has been added or the process of adding things together. It's a B1 level word, meaning it's quite common and can be easily used in everyday situations. Let's start with a clear definition. When we talk about addition, we could be talking about adding numbers in math, like when you add 2 plus 2. But it doesn't just apply to numbers. Addition can refer to anything that's been included or brought into a group. For instance, if your favorite coffee shop adds a new pastry to its menu, that's an exciting addition. Now, let's look at some synonyms to better understand the word. One synonym is inclusion. Imagine saying, "The inclusion of a playground has made the park even more enjoyable for families." Another synonym is supplement, as in, "This guidebook is a great supplement to our travel plans." Finally, expansion can also convey a similar idea, especially when we're talking about something being made bigger or better. For example, the expansion of the library includes a new section for children. For antonyms, think about words that mean taking away rather than adding. One good antonym is subtraction. If someone says, "The subtraction of that feature made the app harder to use," they're describing something being removed rather than added. Another antonym is decrease, like in, "The decrease in available seats means more people have to wait." So, how can you use addition in everyday life? Picture a time when you're redecorating your home and get a new sofa. You might say, "This sofa is a nice addition to the living room." Or maybe a company hires a new team member and you could mention, "She's a great addition to the team." Addition is also used in math contexts all the time, like, "The addition of these two numbers gives us the total." Here are a few more sentences to lock it in. The addition of more plants has really brightened up the office. We celebrated the addition of a new puppy to our family. In math class, we learned addition before moving on to more complex topics. To sum up, addition is a noun that refers to the process of adding or something that's been added. Whether you're talking about new items, new people, or just numbers, addition is a handy word to know. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And before you go, try using addition in your own sentence and share it in the comments below. Can't wait to see what you come up with.